Hello, in front of me I've got TCL 205. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display, and right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change brightness level of the display manually, enable or disable night light and change its intensity, adjust color and contrast of the screen, enable or disable adaptive brightness, change wallpaper, turn dark theme on or off, change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable or disable auto rotate screen, adjust font size, display size, set screensaver, manage full screen apps, adjust lock screen preferences, like notifications on lock screen, to show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all, skip lock screen, add text on lock screen, show lockdown option, lift to check phone, and wake screen for notifications. In the end, you can enable or disable notch. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.